All right, guys, this dude, Henry Cavill, I mean, some guys just freaking have it all. As you can see from that clip, like, we got some things we gotta talk about. So we gotta break down, basically, is all the hype around this video, is it breaking the internet? Is it actually warranted? Or is this dude more like average? We're also gonna talk about some ways that you can increase your natural size. We're gonna break down other evidence of whether or not this dude is packing, and it's abundantly clear, guys. Finally, we're gonna talk about what impact this has on, I'd say, kind of men's mental health in general. So stick around, guys. If you don't mind, take a second, like the video, hype the video, and if you like my kind of content, guys, YouTube is cracking down and they might not show you this content again, so please consider hitting the subscribe button. All right, guys, so let's first go through some background on this. So I've been a big fan of Henry Cavill ever since he was in one of my favorite movies of all time and books, The Count of Monte Cristo. I'm not gay, but like, damn it, that dude he's like one of the best looking humans I've ever seen in my entire life. I mean, that scene in The Witcher, like, what? I mean, personally, the Immortals, Henry Cavill, for me, was like, that's how I knew I wasn't gay, because if I wasn't attracted to that, then there was no man that could tempt me. Shouts out to Grindr. But guys, this dude is 6'1", so he's tall, he's well above average, he's incredibly good looking, and you guys, you saw the clip, like, he's rich. Not only that, he's kind, but he's a nerd. Like, I mean, he literally has it all. And guys, this dude is 90th percentile in height. So if this dude is objectively a very large human and he still looks like he has a large hog, then, like, you know, this dude is probably packing. So what are some things that are just like impressive about his measurements? Well, first of all, I just want to double down on the fact that this is one of the rare dudes that seems to be like a celebrity, like, that is genuinely a good guy, well respected from pretty much everybody, and just seems to be a good person, which is kind of rare, especially in Hollywood. And you can see in his comment, this dude literally has everything, like F. He hit the lottery. I have to agree with that. But when it comes to his dimensions, you saw the clip, like, what in the world are we even looking at? I mean, you have to keep in mind that the standard or average flaccid girth is about somewhere between 3.6 to 3.7 inches, okay? Very clearly well above that. For right now, we're just focusing on girth. Now, if you look at the picture where you can see his actual hand, like, you can see his thumb, and his thumb is in the same kind of plane, and if you kind of do some tweaking, shouts out to my guy Red Maroon for helping me with this, you know that the average thumb length is about 2.4 to 2.8 inches. On an average guy. I would say on him, he's probably closer to about 2.8 because he's a larger guy. He's in the 90th percentile in height. And so based on that, with my professional meat gazing skills, which is, guys, just my rough estimate, okay? Let me know in the comments what you think about Henry Cavill's meat. Please tell me what you think about it, or just how absurd this video is. But the point is, I would estimate that basically the diameter of what I'm seeing is about 1.75 inches. And so if you multiply that times pi to get circumference, aka girth, that would put him right at about 5.5 soft. Think about that, guys. The average erect girth is about 4.7, 4.8 inches. And this dude looks like he's like legitimately like 5.5 soft. Now, we're not going to get into like, well, how soft is he? Like, I don't freaking know, guys. Like, come on. But dude, I mean, objectively, I think dude is absolutely packing some heat, especially in the girth department. Comparative to the girth, what would I say is like less impressive? Well, honestly, his length. I mean, if you look, like, it doesn't really come down below the crease of his pants. And I'm not going to sit here and like humble brag or anything, but like typically when you see dudes with like a big old flaccid pee-pee, like, it typically still even comes down their pants leg, and his does not. It's still kind of just sitting like right at the crease. And so when we're just talking about flaccid size, like, I don't think it's crazy long. Now, you have to keep in mind, average flaccid length is somewhere around 3.6 inches. I would estimate that this dude is probably somewhere around 4.5 inches soft. I mean, it's when it comes to length, guys. I mean, what is my life? What is my life? Now, it is important to note that flaccid size doesn't correlate with erect size, and it's been proven multiple times. And in fact, the guys that are more often growers, guys, if you haven't seen my videos, I have growers versus showers video and even a part 2 to that. But there's evidence that the guys that are growers actually have longer erect penises. So just don't think because you see a guy's big old flaccid pee-pee that he's packing major heat in the erect department. Because of that, guys, I'm not going to speculate on his erect size. But I will tell you guys, if you have not seen my Hink trial, I prove with photos that you can see that you can actually get bigger. It is possible. The guys on the Hink trial in erect size gained over 1/2 inch in length and 1/4 inch in girth on average. 7 guys submitted their photos for you to see right now. The link is in the description. And of course, guys, they also got significant flaccid gains as well. So check out the Hink trial. Now, if you want to learn those techniques to actually get bigger based on real science and real data, real published literature, consider checking out my enlargement course, guys. You can use the code HINK10 for 10% off. Now, it is important to note that I think he might be wearing some, weird for me because I'm an American, but like high-waisted British pants, which might throw off like the dimensions of his actual crotch. I don't know, but just the whole setup is kind of weird. Is there ever other evidence? Guys, I don't know how many of these video pictures are going to make it past Cali, okay? Because it's basically gray sweatpants challenge photos, but like, unless these photos are doctored, dude unequivocally has a fat ass hog. Like, yeah, what do you want me to say? Like, I am a Henry Cavill fan. I'm not gonna lie to you guys and be like, oh no, you're not that big, derp. Like, man, dude is packing some missiles, or a missile. And like, even different photos where you can just see his bulge. Like, I can't believe as a straight man I'm making of this video still. That is so funny to me. Hopefully it helps one of you guys out that were curious. Now, without a doubt, the funniest thing, I legitimately laughed out loud seeing this. Now, I will tell you guys, I'm in a much better place. 5 years ago, if this had come out, I would have been so insecure and it just would have sparked all this anxiety and I would have kind of spiraled. Now, I'll tell you, if I think about this and I think, you know, I don't know how viral this went, but if I was walking by my wife's phone and I saw her looking at this, yeah, like that would bother me. I'm not gonna lie. I've come a long way with my insecurities regarding size, but I'm still not 100% there yet. I don't know. You guys can call me soft in the comments, but you know, I'm just being honest with you. So guys, I objectively think this is very large. However, like there's comments, maybe I'm blind, but that bulge is a normal size bulge. Seriously, I've seen one where the bulge was swinging from left to right, and there's like 54 upvotes. I don't know how skewed this guy is, like what he's watching, who he's watching. There's nothing normal about this. This bulge is objectively very large, okay? Even just from a volumetric dimension. And then there's kind of sycophants underneath like, oh yeah, I mean, it's kind of funny. It's like, I watched it twice just to verify. It's like, yeah, I watched it 3 times just to verify. Now, once again, the length, I have seen far more serious hogs in the length department, like apparently, like down the pants leg. But once again, guys, this is just flaccid. Like we don't know what he's actually working with. But good Lord, man, these memes and these GIFs that have come through are just hilarious. I'm gonna see if I can get Callie to put some of these on the screen, but it just cracked me up. Like, oh, one of my favorites is this. Like, obesity is not funny, but this dog being like a fat dog, and it's like clearly implying like that dude has a fat hog in his pants. I don't know. I just thought these were very funny. I laughed a lot. And this is also a treasure. He says, I think this belongs on r/absolute unit. And I would absolutely agree with that. This guy is such a class act because apparently here's an article where he got bricked up because he was filming a nude scene with a woman and her bare, like, beautiful breasts, apparently, alliteration, were like all in his face. Like he sends out a formal apology. He's like, I'm so sorry. That was so inappropriate. I'm so embarrassed, for like a very natural situation. I really think this dude seems like a very class act. Now, if you want to hate on this dude, I think he got a hair transplant.
I think we need to move Lonzo.
That ain't no problem.
Huh?
That ain't no problem.
Well,
Here's just one before and after photo here, but he was clearly receding and he's made a dynamic resurgence. Personally, I don't think there's anything wrong with getting a hair transplant. You know, whatever, do whatever makes you happy. And especially I think that would help his career. But there you go, Nate. Oh, he's not that cool. He got a hair transplant. He was balding. Derp for all you guys that need something to hate on this dude. So guys, dude is packing. Like, yeah, he broke the internet for a reason. You know, once again, I still don't think his flaccid length is that impressive, but still, it's pretty impressive overall. But let me know what you think, guys. Please let me know in the comments. I want to know what you guys are thinking. Please crack me up, okay? Let me know how weird I am for all this meat gazing. But I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Remember, guys, there's nothing wrong with self-improvement, but you are enough just as you are. All right, guys. Peace and love.
Dr. Hink got the plug on the health, yeah. Got you thinking about your